happy birthday! We are celebrating your birthday today with a big bang. This vlog is for you. Happy birthday from your lovingly dedicated Bandava fans. This one's for you. Enjoy. Bossing, we love you. Fans mo dito sa Bacolod Bossing, talaga napalagay ng mga booths ng mga ganyan-ganyan dahil birthday mo, Bossing. Enjoy your day. We love you very much. God bless you more and your family. Amen, amen, amen.